So, journaling is completely customizable, whether it's your preference or your mood on a specific day. It can be as simple or as complex as you want to go. Sometimes I don't feel like writing, so I type out what I want to write and I print it and put it in my journal. The point is that it's not limiting, and that's what I love about it, is that you make up the rules here, and this can be as plain and neat or as messy and experimenty as you want. And that brings it to possibly my favorite benefit of journaling, is that it's very, very creatively fulfilling. As someone who practices art and is pursuing it in college, it can be very strict and serious, and you have to follow very specific rules to do things correctly. So, journaling gives me that much needed space of letting go with art. It allows me to experience a side of it that's extremely freeing, because I allow my feelings and the materials to guide me along. Like, I never plan how I'm going to make the arrangement. I just go with I'll just pick like a couple of colors, and I'll pick out scraps that I find in those colors, and I just go with it. So, in that sense, it really allows you to discover completely new patterns and compositions and ideas that you couldn't have gone about it by planning it, because there's really something about not constricting yourself within specific rules of, okay, I want this layout, I want this. You just like surrender to the process. It's truly teaching you to let go and be guided by what's in front of you rather than control it. And I find it really exciting that I always end up with a result that's completely unexpected. It's like a new discovery. But that's one more towards the decorative element of journaling, I suppose. So let's get to the main content, which is what you're going to write. Now, as much as I enjoy creative fulfillment, I think what I benefit from the most is the writing element, because it's a really crucial source I've found that helps me process my thoughts. There's a lot of different directions you can go within the writing element. It does not have to be a documentation of your day. I like introducing little widgets, you could say, like I like making gratitude lists. Or if I have an insight that day, I like making a little note of it. So it's a great way to introduce little things you would like to bring more of into your life, things you want to pull more focus into. Like, it's honestly really, really helped me maintain my mental health, and I know that's a really big statement to make. But yeah, I find it quite therapeutic. The pages just patiently listen, and there's absolutely no judgment coming from the book. So, unless it's like Tom Riddle's diary. But yeah, like I call it my little therapy session, where it helps me stay connected to my emotions, and it helps me let go of things that I need to let go of. And I find it quite a healthy way to deal with my emotions. On days I don't want to do the writing myself, though, I have other widgets that I employ. I'll write a quote or a poem I liked, or I'll write my own poem sometimes. But if you do want to simply document your day, that is another really lovely benefit, because it's just a really nice nostalgia to flip back on your old journals and read about how you were feeling at a certain time. It's documentation of your growth and your evolution as a person in the most raw form. Like, Gordon Ramsay would not be pleased with you. Doesn't it look like a banjo all put together? Anyway, you can also paste photographs. Like, I just print them out on like glossy paper, so it's fun to flip through. And sometimes I also illustrate. Oh, and another fun thing that I like to add as a widget is documenting any like new song that I discovered. I know that's kind of old school and you have playlists now and you don't need to, but I just enjoy it. It's fun. So let's sum up. Number one is that it's customizable. You make the rules here, so you're free to do what you want. You can really make it your own, add your own personality to it. Secondly, it's creatively fulfilling. There's a lot to explore. There's a lot of combinations to try. So it's very exciting. Next would be that it's a great help in helping you process your thoughts and deal with your emotions, stay connected to them, and to enhance the little positive habits you want more of in your life, be it gratitude or noting down your goals. Next benefit is the nostalgia it provides, and that documenting your own evolution can be very gratifying. Not to mention all the fun little things like your music tastes and illustrations that you can add. So I hope you enjoyed this video.